Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your POCO M8. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust media and the call volume. So you guys can adjust the call volume if you go over to the phone app, and here you just press volume up or while being in an active call. So here, as you guys can see, you can adjust it like that. Now for the media volume, you can adjust it here by tapping volume up. Now there's of course another way of doing this, and it's a better way. You go into the settings and then go to sound and vibration. Here you have media, and here you guys can change it by swiping with your finger. So it's already at max, so I won't touch it, but here you guys can change it. And next, what you guys want to do is disable do not disturb mode. So we have it right here in the sound and vibration. Do not disturb, make sure that this switch is gray right here, because now DND is on and we want it off. After that, what you guys want to do is make sure that your speaker grills are clean. So here we have it, as you guys can see, close to the charging port. We want to make sure that they are clean inside and that they are not blocking any connection. So if they are dirty, then they can block the sound, and we definitely do not want that. So make sure to clean them. What are we going to do next is go over and restart our phone to refresh the system. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe down to reboot, and as you guys can see, now the phone is rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the reboot is done. Now after the reboot, what you guys want to do is, let me quickly enter my PIN. What you guys want to do is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So go over to settings, and here you guys want to go to about phone. Now click on HyperOS right up top here, and it will check automatically if you have the updates. So I do not have any updates available, so I am on the latest version. But if you guys are not, then make sure to do your updates, because they can fix a lot. You get rid of all the glitches, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.